If you know how to bisect an angle, you can construct all these angles. Let's learn. This is how you can bisect an angle. Centered at the vertex, draw an arc. Now from these 2 points, draw 2 arcs of equal radii, and that's the angle bisector. Why? These 2 lines are the radii of this arc, and these 2 arcs have equal radius. So by symmetry, these 2 angles must be equal. Now how can we construct a 90-degree angle? For that, we will bisect the 180-degree angle. Here's how. Let's extend this line. Taking this point as the center, draw a semicircle. That's a straight angle. Let's bisect it. From these 2 points, draw 2 arcs of equal radii. Since this line bisects the 180-degree angle, this angle must be 90 degrees. Now how about 45-degree angle? You can easily bisect the 90-degree angle to construct the 45-degree angle. Now how can we construct a 60-degree angle? Can we use the same bisection method? Bisecting a 120-degree angle will give us a 60-degree angle. But we don't know how to construct a 120-degree angle in the first place. So we'll have to think differently. We know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So let's use this idea. Make an arc centered here. Now using the same radius, make another arc intersecting the first arc. And that's our 60-degree angle. Why? These 2 lines are the radii of this arc, and this arc also has the same radius. So that's an equilateral triangle, and this angle must be 60 degrees. Now once you know how to construct a 60-degree angle, you can simply bisect it to get a 30-degree angle, like this. Now what about a 15-degree angle? Again, bisect the 30-degree angle and you are done. Now you are ready to construct any angle that's a multiple of 15. All you need to do is just add, subtract or bisect the known angles. For example, how can we construct a 120-degree angle? We know that 180 minus 60 is 120 degrees. So let's construct a 60-degree angle on the other side, like this. So this angle must be 120 degrees. Now how about 75 degrees? 90 minus 15 is 75 and 60 plus 15 is also 75. So let's construct a 90-degree angle and a 60-degree angle. Now this angle here must be 30 degrees, and if we bisect it, we get 60 plus 15, that's 75 degrees. Can you now construct a 135-degree angle? How about some angle greater than 180 degrees, say 240 degrees? There are many ways to construct it. Let us know your approach in the comments.